Hello friends. So the 6 healing sounds is one of my favorite practices. It's super simple, super easy. You can do it pretty much anywhere at any time. Basically, we're just using breath, also working with color, feelings, and emotions, and we are clearing out our energy bodies with this practice. We're especially working with the 5 major organs: the kidneys, the lungs, the liver, the spleen, the heart. In Chinese medicine, our organs each have their own consciousness or their own spirit, and each organ affects different aspects of our psyche, our emotions. For example, the liver can hold anger as a negative emotion, but it's also responsible for the virtue, the positive emotion of kindness and generosity. So we're really just tuning into each organ and focusing on it and clearing out any negative emotions, any sick energy stored in that organ and its meridian system. It can be stored anywhere in the body, so we're just really clearing ourselves deeply with this practice. So let's just get right into it. So the first sound will be for the lungs. The sound is just an S sound. So awareness of our lungs. So first inhale and visualize as you inhale your lungs are filling with bright white light, white vapors. So inhale, filling the lungs, raising the arms up. Exhale with the lung sound, hands come forward, making sort of claws with the hands. Let's do that again. Inhale, breathing white vapors into the lungs, filling the lungs. Exhale. And it really helps as you're exhaling to imagine you're blowing out like smoke, like gray vapors, just old stuck energy. So we'll do this again, inhaling white light, filling the lungs. Exhaling old sick energy. Keeping the eyes open as you make the sounds. This helps the sick energy to leave the body, so you want to keep your eyes open as you're making the sounds. And now we'll focus on the emotional quality of the lungs, filling with white light, inhaling, feeling strength and confidence, integrity. Exhale, releasing any sadness or depression from the lungs. Inhale, filling up with strength, white light, integrity, confidence. Exhale, release sadness and depression. And place your hands on your knees if you're sitting and just feel the lungs. See them glowing white, smiling inwards to your lungs, thanking them for all they do. Feeling the confidence, the strength, the integrity of the lung spirit. Thank you, lungs. Maybe placing your hands on. And next is the kidney sound. The kidney sound is chew, like chew. So we're going to inhale blue light, blue vapors into the kidneys, filling the kidneys. You know, the kidneys are here in the back or lower back. So inhale, filling the kidneys and bending forward, hands are on the knees. Placing one thumb inside the other across the knees. Exhale the kidney sound. And sort of pulling the stomach in towards the back, compressing the kidneys as you exhale. So once again, filling the kidneys with blue light. Exhale, leaning forward, kidney sound. One more time, filling with blue light, filling the kidneys. Exhale. emotional quality. Inhale, feeling calmness and wisdom of the kidneys. Exhale, releasing any fears. And again, inhale, filling the kidneys with calmness, wisdom, clarity. Blue light. Exhale, release any fears. One more time. Feeling with blue light. Clarity, wisdom. Exhale, fears. And placing the hands on the kidneys, the lower back. Closing the eyes, just feeling the kidneys, seeing them glow blue, feeling clarity. Smiling in the kidneys. Feeling wisdom and calmness. And then the next sound is for the liver. The sound is sh, S-H. So we're going to inhale into the liver, filling the liver with green vapors. Lifting the hands up the center. Liver full of green vapors. And we're going to bring the hands to the left and extend them, making the liver sound. Extending upwards. Once again, inhale, filling the liver with green vapors. Again, green vapors, filling the liver. Now the emotional quality. Inhale, feeling kindness, generosity, filling the liver. Releasing any anger, frustration. One more time. Inhale, feeling kindness, generosity in the liver. Green light. Releasing anger, frustration. Placing the hands on the liver, on the right side. Smiling to the liver, seeing it glow green. Feeling kindness, generosity, the virtue of the liver. Then the next sound is for the heart. The sound is ha, ha, H-A, ha. So, filling the heart with red vapors. Once again, bringing the hands up the middle, filling up the heart. Hands come straight up, and we'll part to the sides, making the heart sound. Especially stretching the pinky, which is connected to the heart meridian. So inhale, filling up the heart with red vapors. Again, red vapors, filling the heart. Eyes open as you make the sounds. Connecting with the emotional quality now. Inhale, feeling joy, love, filling the heart. Exhale, releasing any hatred, any cruelty, any impatience. Once again, filling with love, joy. Releasing cruelty, hatred, impatience. Placing the hands on the heart, smiling inward to the heart. Seeing it glowing red, feeling the love, the joy radiating. to the spleen. The spleen, the stomach, and the pancreas are all connected in Chinese medicine. So we're sort of working with all of them with this one. So the sound for the spleen is ho, like ho, H-O, ho. So we're going to feel the spleen, the stomach, the pancreas, all here, the left side of the rib cage sort of underneath, and the pancreas is more in the center here. So filling this whole area with yellow light, inhale, and we're going to bring the hands into your right hand into the center of your abdomen, the base of the rib cage, left hand on the left side where the stomach is underneath the abdomen. We're going to press in as we make the sound. So filling with yellow, exhale, press, making the sound. Then throwing out the hands with the last bit of breath. Throwing out any sick energy from the spleen. So once again, filling with yellow light. Pressing the fingers. And again, yellow light, filling the spleen, stomach, pancreas. Pressing. Bending forward. Now the emotional quality. We're going to feel trust and openness as we inhale, filling the spleen. Exhale, releasing any worries or anxiety. Again, filling up with trust, openness. Releasing any obsessions, any anxiety, any worries. Placing the hands over the stomach, just feeling, smiling inwards to the spleen, stomach, pancreas, feeling trust and openness, seeing the glow, yellow light. Trust in life, trust in the universe. Now the final sound is for the triple warmer system, which consists of the whole head and torso system. So to do this one, usually I do this one standing up, but I'll just show you the way to do it sitting down. You want your body to be sort of to be as straight as possible. Let me move my chair a little bit so I can lean back. So imagine your body's this hollow column, this hollow tube, and all of your energy, all excess energy is going to be clearing through it, down through your feet. So inhale, but the sound is he, like he. So inhale, arms coming up above the head. Exhale. Just feeling any excess energy clearing down through the body. And you can either visualize clear light or all the colors of the rainbow when you're doing this. It's not too important which color you're using. We're just clearing the triple warmer system. Inhale. Pushing that energy out through the body like a hollow tube. And we're not focusing on any emotional qualities in particular with this one. We're just clearing the body out. You might feel some tingling in your feet from this one. Really powerful for just clearing excess energy, clearing heat from the body. One more time, one really good one. Sitting up and just relaxing, smiling inward, just feeling your body, feeling how your body's feeling now. You are probably feeling a lot lighter. You might be feeling a little tingly, a little floaty. That's good. Your energy's moving. You probably feel a lot calmer. after doing this practice than when you started. Smiling inwards, just accepting the body, accepting the way it is right now. Thanking the body for working so hard for you. So that's it. That's the 6 healing sounds. It's a really simple, really powerful exercise. The more you place your attention into the color, the emotion, the clearing of the energy, the more powerful results you're going to get from this. And you can do this anywhere. I do this constantly when I'm driving around. Obviously, you want to stay focused on what you're doing driving, but just putting a little attention in the organ and making the sound. It's most powerful when you do them in this sequence that I've shown you, doing each sound. They really build on each other, and you want to do them. I recommend doing each sound at least twice. 2 or 3 times is a good number of time to do them. More if you have the time to and you feel like you need more clearing. Even doing each sound once would be great. I really like to do these before I go to bed. It really helps me just clear out any overthinking, any excess energies from the day, and just get relaxed for sleep. So, thank you. I hope this practice benefits you. Thank you. Have a great day.